How to find CapCut templates. First, let's open your TikTok app and click the search icon on the upper right corner of your screen and simply search CapCut templates. After that, just simply look for the TikTok CapCut template that you would like to use. After choosing one, just click this CapCut Try This Template button. It will redirect you to this page and just click Use Template in CapCut. It will direct you to the CapCut app where you will edit your video. There is also another option where you can go to Safari and search for CapCut templates. You can just simply find and scroll for the TikTok template that will best suit you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.